Amanda from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Would you like to know how to set up a preferred customer during enrollment using your Market Power Pro MLM software? So I am signed in to an admin account, and I went ahead and set up a page here that is just, I put all of my preferred customer products together in one spot. And this is a way that they can select whatever product they would like and then sign up at the same time and enjoy the preferred customer pricing. Before you get to this point, what you need to do is go ahead and have all your products already in the system. And you also want to have your preferred customer pricing set up. And to do that, you're just going to go to Plans and then Preferred Customer Settings. And we do have another video on this. But for this particular way that we're setting this up, you want to make sure on this radio button that you select the first one. If I am purchasing a product and there is an associated auto ship, it will give me my discount on my first order. And I have it set for 10%, but you can set this whatever amount, but just make sure you have that first radio button. And that's because during the enrollment process, it's not going to take the user through the auto ship process as well. It's all one stop. So you want to make sure and have your auto ship associated to it. So when they're enrolling, they're creating an auto ship. All right, so let's go to our products, product management and products. For this particular website, for my associated auto ship, since they were all going to be the same, I just went ahead and created an auto ship that I could associate to each of my preferred customer products. And I'm just going to show you that real fast, but we do have other videos that show you how to associate auto ships. But this seemed the simplest way for what I was doing for this test. So if you go to SKUs, and click on this. It's an auto ship. It's available as an associated SKU. This isn't something you're ever going to see in the shopping cart or anything like that. I set it up and it's set to do not bill me now. And this is what I decided I was going to go ahead and associate to all of my preferred customer products for the auto ships. So go to Product, Product Management, and Products. And I'm going to take this out. And I'm just going to go to one of my products here. And go to the SKU. So here's my product. I'm going to click on it. So what we're going to be using, we're going to be using the SKU ID. So you might want to copy that down. And then you want to make sure that you have this as show on single SKU purchase. You want to have that flagged. Also, when you have your associated auto ship already to be associated to each product, you want to make sure and check mark associated SKU for auto ship and then add them. I added them in the enrollment and in the shopping cart because preferred customers can also go ahead and become a preferred customer later on if they don't want to do it during enrollment in the shopping cart. All right, so once you have all of that all set and ready to go, you're ready to go ahead and create your page. Now, I just created a page and assigned it to a menu. There's different ways to do this. Some people maybe want to click on Join Now and have another place where you can click on that takes you to the preferred customer pricing. However you want to do it. For this test, I did a menu and a page. So here's my options when they click on preferred customer. They can click on one of these and it'll go ahead and have them sign up to be a customer. It'll also create the auto ship for them, and then there's all taken care of. Their future orders will all have that discount on it. So to do this, when you're first putting in your products, they all have to be 200 by 270. So that's what I went ahead and set this up as. So the first step you want to do is click on your drag and drop editor. And then you just want to pick your snippet. I only had 3 images, so I happened to see this one that had 3 products in there. But one thing to keep in mind is if you have one that you really like and you want to just use it over and over again for each product, you can just go ahead and click on the plus sign and it replicates it for you. I'm going to go ahead and remove that though. All right, so that's what I did. I just dragged it over. And the next step is to go ahead and put your image in here. So to do that, it's very simple. Since you already will have your product images saved from when you put them in, you're going to click on this link sign, and you're going to go to blank placeholder. So first thing I did is I changed them to 200 by 270. When I hit replace, it puts a blank spot in here, just a white spot in here. And then once you have that, you're going to click on the little blue icon with the camera on it, and then you can just add it. So you just double click on it, and it'll add your image in there. So then you'll have your images in there. I'm going to cancel out of that. The next step is you want to go ahead and have it go to the single SKU purchase page, which I showed you earlier, and that's why we have to have that single SKU purchase flagged on each one of the SKUs. To do that, there's just a simple link that you put in here, and it's always the same. The only thing that's different is the end. So let me show you that. So I'm going to click on the link. I'm going to go back to image, and we're working right here. Do you see this where it has a /single-SKU-purchase ?SKU, and then this is the part that we copied. This is the SKU ID. You just put that in there. And then once you hit OK and click on it after we hit save, it takes you to that single SKU purchase page. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead, and I have all these already done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you just real fast. I'm just going to pull over another snippet. So it always ends up at the bottom here. But I'm just going to show you how you do it real fast. So I'm going to click on this little orange icon. First thing, go to blank placeholder. It's already in a square. Sometimes it'll say circle. I'm going to change this to 200. I'm going to change this to 270. And click replace, and see how it changes to a white or just a clear image, a blank image. And then I just need to add whatever product I have. So I'm going to add this one again. And then you click OK. All right, and then you're ready to go ahead and add where you want it to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link this time. I'm going to go to image. And this is where I want to put it, where it says navigate URL. And that's where I need to have my link in there. So here you can see this is the part that we're going to replace. So if you forget and you don't have it, that's fine. Hit save and exit, and then you just find the product, and you're going to go to the SKU ID, which I'll do that right now to show you. Let's go to the pink blush. And let's go to SKUs. Click on the SKU. This is all you need right here. You're just going to copy the SKU ID, copy. Let's go back to our preferred customer page that we have set up. And then click back on the drag and drop editor. So it does help to have all of the SKU IDs already set, maybe on a notepad, so you can just put it in there. But if you forget, you can just save and exit and then go back to it. And then click on the link. And let's go ahead and copy that right here. And then let's put in the SKU ID, which I copied right here. And just click OK. And then you're going to hit save and exit. And then you can test it out. You can click on it, and it takes you to where they can sign up. And then remember, you already have your auto ship associated, so you can see they're already getting that 10% discount. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 1-239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.